And welcome back, and it is the 3rd of April, 5 a day higher plus, and let's just jump straight in. Right, first thing I noticed, well obviously it's a solve, it's a quadratic, but it does say to some rounding, which to me suggests don't even bother trying to factorise. If you watch my further maths videos, a lot of those can be factorised because they tend to be non-calculated questions, whereas these, well, I suspect this can't be because it tells me 3 sig fig. So let's do that. So I've got a equals 5, b equals minus 2, c equals minus 11, which means that x is equal to minus 2 is 2, plus minus 5 squared is 25. Note how I do some bits but not all bits. Minus 4 times 5 times minus 11, so I'm going to put the minus here to make a plus, and divide all of that by 2 times 5, which is 10. Wow. Let's tidy this up. I'm guessing it's not going to simplify nicely with a third. So that's going to be 2 plus minus. Now, if I get my calculator out, that tells me 4 root 14. Okay, is what it is. Divide all that by 10, which means the plus value is, again, calculator out, 1.69666, and the negative value, in other words, I've used the negative here is what I'm trying to say. So the negative value is, again, change the positive, 1.2966. What's the question want? The question wants 2 sig fig, so that implies this answer here is 1.7, and this answer here is minus 1.3. Question done. Not that bad actually, that one was it. Next question. Oh, it's everyone's least, there's various topics everyone dislikes. Bearings is one of them. Nice diagram. Okay, so B is 5 miles north of A, C is 7 miles east of B. Right, okay. So I'm going to start with A and go up 5 imaginary miles to B, so north. And then I'm going to go east to C, so this way, slightly longer, and that's going to give me C. Find the distance from A to C, and actually read the next one. Calculate the bearing. Okay, I thought there might be a bearing there somewhere. Right, so I know this is 7, and I want this distance here. I'm going to do it over here because I'm going to draw on the diagram in a second. So actually this one's not too bad, is it? So just Pythagoras. So AC is equal to 5 squared plus 7 squared square rooted. Calculator out, and that tells me that it's root 74, which is approximately 8.6. What's the units? Miles. So far, so good. Calculate the bearing of A from C. Now, what does that mean? The bearing of A from C means I start from C, so there's my north line, I go clockwise, and I want this angle here. And my approach is going to be to take away this angle here that I know is 90, and this angle here that I can work out using trigonometry. So in other words, it's going to be 360 minus 90 minus opposite height adjacent, so tan minus 1, opposite is 5, adjacent 7. Do all this in one go on my calculator. So 360 minus 90 minus 10 minus 1, 5 over 7, 234.4623222, which I'm just going to say is 234 degrees. Now, actually, this is an interesting one because if you rounded badly, you might have got 235, which would be wrong. It probably would allow it in an exam, but technically wrong. The right answer is 234. Question done. Next question. Sketch the graph. Now, the thing about these graphs is these graphs either do that or they do that. But the point is, let's do that properly, so make my own point, or they do that. And the point is they go through this point 1 here. So in answer to the question, it's an exponential growth, and it's going to be such that that value there is 1. That's it. Easiest question so far we've had, assuming you know what you're doing. Next question. G of f of x given f given g, and this isn't too bad, is it? So g of f of x, which is 3x minus 1, which means g is the 2 lots of 3x minus 1 plus 4. I could probably leave it like that, to be frank, but it does, because it doesn't say simplify. But let's simplify it. So 2 times 3 is 6x. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, plus 4 is plus 2, which is going to be 6x plus 2. Actually, that wasn't too bad today, was it? Bearings question that no one likes. Starts with a simple-ish quadratic. Good question. Sort of nice, standardy, early mid-paper sort of questions today. I enjoyed today. Well done if you got that. Usual thing, like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks all.